Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but basically this is just a trial for making a simple game. That's all I want. I want a simple game just created by using Next.js, Tailwind. Very simple. The goal here is to create a browser game. Very simple. So I already have here my. God, So the first thing I have here is simply a grid, a 4x4 grid. And I am using Claude to make this, and that's the whole goal, using AI to create a simple game. This grid already has a hover effect, so if I hover over these little squares, they turn darker, and that's basically what I did so far. This is my Next.js on VS Code, and I already have this component here, the 4x4 grid. I believe that if I change this for like 6, it will increase. Yeah, it will increase the number of squares by side, but it's not. Why isn't? All right. Mm-hmm. What do I have here? Okay. So basically I have this. All right. So what I want to do, I want to start with a 4x4, and that's more than enough for me. I want to start 4x4. That fits perfectly. But now what I want to ask is, so I'm thinking about, I'll be calling it EcoPolis. I'm thinking of like, do you remember SimCity? I don't know if you ever played that on your tablet or smartphone, but basically you create and develop your city. That's what I'm aiming for, but like a simpler version. So I want to call this EcoPolis, and I'll just use something like build your eco-friendly city. Yeah, that's right. So now with this grid, what I want to do is having some stats here on top. So I'll just ask, create a component that has some stats, some game stats. I want to have, so what I want to have, so this is ecological, like a climate change game, and I want to have something more like, so water, energy, and I don't know, wood, for example. Water, energy, wood, and population. Yeah, let's do like this. Make it a static and random number for now. So for now, I just want to have the stats over here, and I'll make sure to generate the logic behind it after. So I have to install something and support the libraries. Okay, that's right. To generate code includes tree from Lucid React. Is it giving me the? Hopefully it is. I don't know. Let me ask, what do I have to install? So before everyone comes at me and says, oh, you could use a cursor to do this. Yes, I could. That's not a lie. But I really don't like Cursor because I think it doesn't teach you anything about coding. And before you come at me again and said, "Oh yeah, but you're not learning anything by using Claude or ChatGPT," that's not true actually, because everything I learned was either using YouTube tutorials or actually um, ChatGPT. Actually, I learned how to use the Next.js framework only through ChatGPT, because you can make questions about this. You can make questions to the chat. Let's go. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I already. Okay, so let's run dev again, so we can see this again. This update. Oh, and I have to copy this. So what he did was he added the game stats component, and here's the code for the game stats. I believe it's here because I just started using Claude. Usually I use ChatGPT, but this month I'm trying to use Claude game stats.js. Am I right? I think so. Let's give this page. It's giving me an error. Oh yeah, shit. It's not num npm. There we go. I think it should be running right now. Is it already? Yes. Let's go. Let's see what it does. Today, please. All right, failed to. Oh yes, because I don't know why, but it always says this. It's app/components/game grid. app/oops/. All right. And support the server component. And why is that? Which one? What the fuck? Let's see. Okay, so first of all, oops, not here, here. First of all, that's why I like ChatGPT, because you can make questions and you can simply give it the error and understand where the error is. I apologize, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Oh, it's basically because I'm not using use client. Is that it? I don't even have to paste it. I'll just use it myself. Let's see here as well. Use client. Let's see if it changes. Element type is invalid. Expected a string for built-in components or a class function for composite components. What? Check the render method of game stats. Export default game stats. Const game stats. Const game. Why is it different? Bro. Why is this shit different? Okay, I have to understand this. And perhaps this will be the boring part. But oh well, I don't give a shit. And I don't give a fuck. Alright, I'll just copy and see if it works. React. So this is game grid. So right here on game grid. And on game stats, I'll just, let's see if it, nope, still here. Okay. Game stats. Check the render method of game stats. You know what? I'll just do it again. Oh, wait a second. Wait. Never mind. Let's go. Is it because I'm not importing React? Nine. Okay, let's. I apologize. Yeah, you apologize a lot. Key changes. Export default game stats, alright. Alright, let's just copy game stats then. I like when things work just fine. Doesn't seem to be the case. I installed this shit already. Alright, so it's something wrong with game stats. That's for sure. Let's take. Let's ask for another approach. Let's see what it does. It generates random numbers. All right. It's still giving me the stats color, but let's see if it works this time. Okay, now it's working. That's why I love different approaches. Okay, so now, first of all, I don't like this here, so I want to make sure. I'm here. What the fuck? All right, I'm not asking. I'm not making questions. I just want to make sure that I can perhaps on the grid. Because I don't want this like this. I want to make it shorter. I think I'll simply say, I want to reduce the space between the grid and the stats. Oops. Now I'll just take a moment. I want to change the design of the stats board. I want to make 4 independent fields for each stat. And I want them to be on the to keep to stay. To stay on top of the page. Let's see what it does. So I don't know if you ever played something like this, but I want, for those only watching this right now, I'm doing, this is recorded, Bernardo. What the fuck are you saying? But never mind. I'm just making some simpler version of SimCity. That's what I'm aiming at least. So I have game stats. Am I right? Game stats here. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it works. Okay. Shitty. Yeah, but it works. Game stats. I'll just update my page. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, shit. From now on, remember that my components are at, where are they at? Oh yeah. App slash components slash game stats.js. Let's just see if you will do understood. Yeah, it will do. Huh. Lovely. Let's see if it works like this. It works, sort of. Let's just take a second. Ensure it's saved at app components game stats. Yes, it is. Game stats.bar. All right. And I also have the grid component that I need. Let's go. Oh yeah, now it removed. How I love this. Let's just undo it. Oh, this is, I just have to take this. All right, yeah, I just have to do it. So minimum height screen, I'll just do like height, it's 12. Can I do that? No. So minimum height is like 10. Let's see what it does. At 20. Oh shit, at 20. Oh yeah, okay, I have this locked. Shit. I love how these things work. What is wrong this time? The text content does not match server render HTML. Then make it match. I really hate coding. I just do this because I'm miserable. That's why I do it. Okay, let's take a second. So I want to make this like a 42 or not. Come on, baby. Just work on game stats. Yeah, no shit, Sherlock. Yeah, I'm aware. Let's change game stats again. See if it works. Let's refresh. Looks like it's working, but my game grid. Okay, let's go back. I meant I don't want as much space as I had between stats and grid. I wanted to reduce it. Please give me an adequate code for grade. Is that how you write adequate? Shit. That's the problem of English being your second language, not your first. You know how to talk, but you don't know how to write. Let's see. Okay, it works, but now I have this weird shit here happening. And why is that? Why did you mess up my... Bro. Between... Fuck, I hate English. Between, yeah. Their own bottom line and the dark part of the creed. Make sure they have the same bottom margin. I think this is margin. This is why I hate doing live video. I prefer to record it because, first of all, I curse a lot. Second of all, perhaps this will be edited. Not sure yet. Okay. Huh. What do I have here? Okay, I like how this is right now. So what I want to do now is I want to click on each square and be able to make something. So, but at the same time, someone is calling me. Why are you interacting with me on Twitter? Not on Twitter. Why are you interacting with me on X right now? So what I want to do now is I have these resources, and when I click on any square, I want to open like a modal, like a pop-up, and be able to select some sort of building or industry. When I say building, is more like a house, and perhaps I might be able to build a service industry, a service building, like uh, a hardware shop, or I don't know, a wood cutting shop. This is where my English starts to lack because I'm not British or American, but fuck it. So yeah, let's go. I want to make a collection of buildings, and I think that's the way it goes. Some are residential houses to accommodate. That's not how you write accommodate. Fuck it. Accommodate your population. Some others to produce more resources like water, wood. What other resources do we have? Or even generating energy. The goal of the game should be to start with the goal of the game should be to start with a minimal amount of each resource and grow them with time compounding. So the idea here is that for each hour or day you receive more water or more X amount of people in your city. But okay, so let's do this. Yeah. I want. No. The goal of the game should be to start with a minimal amount of each resource and grow them with time compounding. Yeah, sounds nice. The user should start with 10 of each. So you have wait. Zero population. Yeah, that's what makes sense. Population. Let's see what it does. But I think the system is coming to wait. Update against that component. All right. Now let's create a new building manager component. Okay. Update main component. Okay. So let's see it working or not. So this is game stats. Manager. Okay. What does it says? Building manager.js. Just copy and paste it. Let's update the main page. See if it works. Okay, so build. So it's almost correct. So first I need a way to see time passing. And the best system that I've seen so far, at least the simplest system that I've seen so far, is from society.fail from Josh. Is he Josh? That's the problem of not knowing names. I think he's Josh. He has the face of a Josh. Yes, Josh Pinkford. He built Society Fail, which is this. Actually, in structure, it's quite simple. It's quite similar to the game we're building here. So it's a browser game, post-apocalyptic, um, and he has a system where you can see time passing. First, I need a way to see time passing. Each day equals to 24 hours. After 24 hours, also increase the day. Second, I only want to see the houses, the buildings I can build when I click on a square inside the grid. Because I really hate this box, this white box here. Also, I need to know how much of each resource each building costs. Okay, what else? Once the building is built on a square, it cannot be. I cannot build on it again. For now, let's make it like that. You cannot build again. Later, we can make a system to delete the the buildings, or perhaps upgrade, make some sort of upgrade to each building. And I think that will work. Let me just check my DMs. Ooh. Okay, we already have this. So let's take a look. So we have a time system here. Great. Let's create a component, time system.js. Wait a second, what is this? HS? I don't know. Doesn't matter now. Time system, is that how I'm supposed to wait a second, this is not what I copied. Oops. What is this? Oh, okay, so updated main page component with time system. Fucking hell, I don't need this shit. I can simply come here and Control A, Control V. Game stats. Let's go. Building manager. Let's also go. Create components. Okay, please do not crash. Okay, so first of all, I really hate this. Here, where is it? I think it's here. Where it was, padding top, I think it was here, like 24. Yeah. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, still hate this design, but that's okay. Available buildings, residential house, cost, okay. What about this? I need to find a way to keep it selected, but it's all right. Let's build a residential house there. I said, let's build a residential house there. What the fuck is wrong with this? It's wrong with this. Okay. So the grid component is not responding when I try to build a building. Also, should be able to see which square on the grid I have selected. I think that's important. What else? Nespresso. I think it's time for introducing the what each building brings you. So residential house brings you +3 on a population. That's great. Water treatment building brings you a plus, I don't know, +2 by each hour that passes, or perhaps a +5% production increase. I don't know. Also, I should be able to see which square on the grid I have selected. That's great. When I build something, the square should go black. I don't know. I just wanted it to go black so I can see if they are available or not. But yeah, let's see what it has to say to me. Game grid. Main page. Fucking hell. Here. Main page. What the fuck? Come here. Main page. Main page. Main page. Okay. I really don't care about this right now. So now I can see it selected, which is lovely. Let's just take a second here to here 42. No, I said 24. Didn't I? Yeah, I said. So residential house. Okay. And now on this one, I want water treatment. And now on this one, I want another water treatment. And on this one, I want a residential house. But if I build many residential houses, one after the other, I do not lose. Oh, that's shitty. Okay. Okay. So what's happening here is that the amount that it costs me to build a building, it's the same by the hour. And each hour, it's around a second, I guess. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it sounds like a second. It looks like a second. So, everything works just fine, but I want to change a few aspects. I don't know if you give it context or not, but I like to do it. Just something stupid I did. Let me check how much it is increasing. How much each resource increases. So it starts with wood, blah blah. Oh no, these are the buildings. Function. Hmm. Let's make it a 2 second. Okie dokie. So, what I see here, yeah, it's increasing by 6. Sorry, by 5. So, let's just do it like this right now. We'll figure it out what we do with these squares. Uh, hmm. Perhaps I should have some, I would not say design, but I would say like an icon. Like water treatment, it's a drop of water. Energy production, it's like a bolt. Residential houses, I could use emojis, couldn't I? I think so. Main page. So this is the main page. Okay. Oh, and let's change this to 24. Okay, now it's much lower, and that's great. And if I build another residential house, this should increase by 6 to 9. Okay, water treatment. That's dope. Great, great, great. I want to take a look at my buildings. So I want to take a look at buildings. Top. Water 1. Okay. So now, instead of writing the name of the building on each square, I want to add an emoji that represents said building. For the residential house, I want the emoji of a house. For the water treatment, a drop emoji. And what else? What else can we do? Let's speed up things a bit. Okay, also, I want to review the incremental of each building. I want the water treatment to increase water production by 5%. So instead of increasing, what did I say? +2 units each 2 seconds, I want each water treatment to add a 5% production increment by built buildings. I think that makes sense. Yes, let's go. Let's see what it does. So we're back, and I can see we already have the emoji system working here and the 5% increment here. The thing is, okay, but I want 5% increment should always be a, is this how you say it? Solid number? Solid number? A whole number. A whole number. Solid number. What the fuck? Not a decimal. Also, the squares should not change size when the emoji is placed. What else can we do now? Okay, let's do this for now. And see how it goes. With whole number water, okie dokie. So this is main page. Okay. So let's start and copy this. Okay. And now let's copy the game grid updated. Let's see what it does. You messed up this shit again. Oh, first of all, let's Yeah, you're messing up this. You messed up the bottom margin on the squares again. Bro. This is game grid. Let's see. What the actual fuck is wrong with you? You see how your design sucks, man? So this is not... So I want to find a code that specifically gives the margin to the squares. What if I do this? Bro. Because it's bothering me a lot here. So when I click power or right, please do it right now. Thank God. So let's build a residential. Let's build the water treatment. Okay. So after Claude cooks this, what I want to do is I want to so if I don't do anything, it will keep increasing infinitely the amount of resources. So let me just update the game grid. Is it the game grid I want to? Oh yes, it is. Bro, you cannot. You have to be kidding me. You have to be fucking kidding me. What changed? All right, but first of all, let's make it 14. That's what they were before. Do not fucking mess with me. And now let's make it 60. Oh, that's why. I get it now. I think I get it now. I am sorry. I mean, I'm not actually sorry because you're a fucking idiot. 72. Will this happen if I make it like a 4? So I'm right now I'm making it a 4 by 4 if I'm not wrong. So getting create array 16. Huh. What if I make it 9? Yeah, as I predicted. It will turn to shit. Okay. I really hate this. Can I make it 15? Can I? Why does it only work with 16? I don't know. I really don't understand code. Uh, Default is always human, never from the machine. I think I'll leave it like this for now. Okay. So the stats increase infinitely. Yeah. I want to create game mechanics that use the resources and the player can build buildings. What ideas do you have to improve this game? Let's see what it says. Okay, so resource consumption. Population consumes resources. Each citizen consumes one water, half food, and one energy per day. Implement the happiness system tied to resource availability. New buildings types. New building types. Farms produce food, which is necessary to sustain population growth. Lumber mills, wood production. Solar panels generate energy. Markets increase resource storage capacity. Schools increase efficiency of other buildings. Hmm. Resource caps. Implement storage limit for each resource. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay, so I really like this idea's event system. Random events like drought, storms, or resources discover affect production. Oh, I actually saw this event system on Society Fails from Josh. I already forgot his last name. Josh whatever. Sorry, it's not Josh whatever. I really like to say Josh Bigford. Um, and as I was playing it, because I really liked it, as I was playing, I saw that he added some random events that had some consequences, like you found a new treasure. Here's 20 plus woods, or uh, a storm just hit, so minus 10 foods. Trade system. Allow trading excess resources to others. Nope. I really hate this seventh idea. Victory conditions. Perhaps 8. Seasons. Implement a seasonal cycle that affects resource production and consumption. Nope. Terrain types. Hmm. Let's see the recommendations Claude provided. Let's implement. Oops. Sorry. The rest of the component. Yeah, sure. Fucking hell. I want the full component, bro. I want the full. I want the full page.js file. It's so easy when you say rest previous build logic. Wow. I really hate when ChatGPT or Claude does this a lot. ChatGPT not as much. But I really hate when they say, "Oh, here's this part. Here's the rest of your code." You either give me the function, um, or you give me the whole file. You don't start as you were giving me the whole file and then you say rest of your code, because that sucks. That sucks, Sam Altman. That fucking sucks. Okay, so we have this shitty grid here. Residential. Oh, it costs 10 water, 15 wood. Like it. Here. Here. I think I'll. Oh, I remember. What is this song? The Whiskey Neat song. You know what I'm talking about. Why am Oh, because I need 15 wood. Yeah, okay. So do it. Let's go. What is wrong? Do I have to build? Do I have like a? Did I implemented that? I need to check it out, but I think so. So, uh, so these changes introduce a new farm building daily resource consumption based on population. Okie dokie. Food as a new resource that limits population growth. So, oh yeah, I have food now. Yeah, fucking hell. Uh, this car already has a building. Nice. If I build, oh my god, this starts to look a lot like SimCity. And I want to make, food. And now I want to make a water treatment. Hmm. And I'm starting to run out of buildings. Oh, I see what's happening here. Okay. Because I have to account for the the day passing by. That's why it takes some. Okay, let's wait till 24, and it will drop. Yeah, it will drop. That's nice. That's cool. That's cool. I think I think I just got too much happy with this system, but it's alright. Okay, so further improve the game, you might consider adding more building types with unique effects. Yes, let's increase the type of buildings with the list we suggested. What other ideas did you? New building types, yes. Resource consumption, yes. Resource caps, implement storage limits, yes. Job system, nope. Technology tree, huh. Also, build a new component that serves as a tech tree. Give me ideas of what that tech tree should offer and the cost of each step on the tree. Okay. Also, event system. I really like this idea, but I just don't see it coming right now. Society Fail had like this activity log, and from time to time it would push, it would send some random events notifications. I don't have this. I don't think it's necessary, um, and I just don't think it fits the game, at least right now. Trade system, nope. Victory condition, same thing. Perhaps many of these ideas will come when I add some sort of activity log. Seasons and terrain types. I don't think so. Uh, of what detect issue. Okay. I'll do this right now and I'll think of ways of doing to remain sane. Let's see what it gives me. Yeah, okay. So I'm thinking that I'm running out of squares to fill, and I have two options. I either start. Hmm. So cities are built with these two systems. They either increase horizontally and they expand, or they just improve their buildings and start building skyscrapers and higher buildings. So I have these two options. I can either. Oh, I have a problem here because it is consuming energy, wood, and water, but it's not consuming food. Okay, I'll take care of this later. But rest. Okay, I'll just copy these buildings then and import the tech tree. I think so. Yeah, I'll do it myself. It's way easier here. Now, new file tech tree.js. Let's go. Nothing else. Here's a snippet of how you might integrate this into your main component. What? I think it's already available buildings. Okay, what about my tech tree? Bitch. I literally pay you to do this work. Why is it so difficult? Yeah, blah 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 blah. Const tech tree. Lovely. Hmm. So as I was saying, I will either create a system that increases the grade. So now it's 4 by 4, it can become 5 by 5, or I can also allow to allow the user to increase the quality of the building. So instead of a residential house allocating 3 population, it I can upgrade it and start taking 5 population per square. I don't know. Just an idea. This is not tech tree. This is main page. Am I right? So now I have 2 things. All right, all right, all right. So now I have 2 things. So if I have 50 science, so the thing is, I build a residential and I'll build water treatment. Why is this not increasing? Why is this not increasing? Motherfucker. Did I just did this? And I want to know why is that? Time is not defined. What do you mean time is not defined? Oh, never mind. Never mind. Yes, I do know what you mean. So let's copy from use effects until, let's say, here. This way it's easier. Let's find use effect. Let's copy it from till here. Let's copy. Let's run it again. Let's see. It's working. Ho ho ho. I don't know why I just did this. I'm so sorry. Uh, so I want to know where science is coming from. I think science comes from schools. So yeah. Okay, so first of all, I see that this is already whoa 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 whoa. Okay. I need the user to see how much each building costs, but also what does each building create per hour. Yes, and I think, oh, there's a problem here. Not a problem, but oops, but I know exactly what happened here. So, yeah, why is it should give me 3 populations? Why is it only giving me 3? 1. Why is it giving me 0 now? I mean, what's wrong? Creatures, what's wrong? So I have 6. What now? Is it taking population from me as the day goes by? Let's see, 22, 23, 24. It's killing 2 of population per day. Okay, so okay, let's wait. You're absolutely right. Providing clear information about yeah, shut the fuck up, bitch. So I simply need to update buildings. Okay, so let's update buildings. Let's go. All right. And then building manager, I just copy and pasted it. All right. I'll start again. Residential house costs 5 water, 5 wood, 5 energy, produces per hour 3 of population. Okay, that sounds great. Yeah, it's school that gives me science, bitch. So I have to wait 50 hours, which means 50 seconds, to have to acquire advanced agriculture. Okay, so we're facing a problem right now, which is it's taking population from me, and that cannot happen. But I don't want to use. Yeah, I actually want to use it. Uh huh. So what I want is from the lost resources that I lose once a day. You are killing people from my population. You can take resources from me as the day passes, but only wood, water, and energy. Motherfucker. And now, ladies and gentlemen, with you, Bob Dylan. Just kidding. No Bob Dylan here. Okay, I think I'll just go in. Uh, I don't know. What I do know is that the amount of buildings that we need to get to school so we can start buying things and doing some research um, on the tech tree, the amount of buildings that we need will not be will be bigger. The number will be bigger than the amount of squares you have available, because we have to account that we are losing X amount of wood, energy, and water per day. So, so I'll be correcting this, hopefully. So use effect, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, blah, 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 suck my dick. Yes, here. Where's, I'll definitely close this. Then I'll definitely close this. So where is use effect? So use effect is here. Let's copy. Let's paste all this. Oops. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Like this. Let's reset. Oh my god, it works perfectly. Just kidding. Haven't tested it. So it is increasing. Great. Let's build water. Lovely. Let's build. Let's see. Yeah, it's taking from these resources, not population, which is great. Let's build. Let's build a farm now, if we can. Okay, I have to change this. I'm sorry. I'm definitely most sorry. I like fast things. Okay, yes, lovely. I am really liking this. So now we can produce our own food and we cannot build a lumber mill. All right, that's fine. What do I need? 10, 20, 10. 10, 20, 10. Okay. And I have to be careful because I need to build this by the end of the day. Okay. Huh. I think the user should be able to. So what I see now is that I am losing lots of resources. What do I need here? 5 of these. Okay. What do I need here for the market? 15, 25, and 15. Okay. Oh, I get it. I get it. Oh. Yeah, I just lost most of my progress with time passing. Let's build a market then. Okay. So now the only thing I have left is a school, which I need 20, 30, 20, 30, 20. I'll be able to build a school right now. Fuck. No, I will not. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah. So now I am getting 15, 5 seconds. So I have to wait a minute to build this to increase the output of agriculture by 20%. Let's go, let's go, let's go. But what if I can build another school by the end of this day? Which I think it's possible, actually. Yes. So now I don't have to wait much time. So now it increases by 2. Now I can research this. And now farm. Oh, this is so cool. Huh. So cool. So cool. So cool. So cool. Huh. Okay. I think I'll stop for today. We're almost 90 minutes in. I think I'll stop it for today. So, yeah. Thank you for being there. Bye.